Hello everybody, still again with me, Mr. Mulyadi from Indonesia. I gonna redraw my old drawing and I can show you also the original video at the end of the video, yeah? Okay, let's do it now. Okay, I am here in Kelapa Gading area. Guess, where is it? Now, let's do it now. Okay, now I'm gonna start from the hair, like this. Okay, yeah. And then the eyes, the eyes fall. Don't forget to dark this area. I suggest you can use pencil first, yeah. And this is the eyebrow. I'm gonna make the sketch first. And this is the ball eyes. The I'm gonna do directly to draw the highlight and also the pupil and shadow the eyes area. Then the eyelash. Then okay, now I'm gonna draw the other eyes. We measure first the position of the eyes. Okay, now let's draw the sketch first. And the eyes fall. And this one is the eyebrow. Sketch first. And let's show the width. Yeah. And I'm gonna do directly draw the eyelash and then eyes full and add shadow. I hope you can follow my drawing, yeah. And the eyebrow shadow first. After that, you add the hair. And also same, yeah. Should be balanced, okay. How to draw the eyelash? Look, curve up, double, curve up, double, curve up, double, curve up, double. Hey, any friend over here? Pussy. Okay, let's draw the nose now. Mark it first, yeah. Look, and then the complete the nose. Done. And the mouth. Mouth. I hope you can follow, yeah. We want to get more easy tutorial. Just look at the playlist. That is a lot of drawing over there. I have 1,000 drawing that you can follow or you just can see. Don't forget to share my don't share and don't forget to comment because I want to be your friend. I like to be your friend. Comment, okay? Then mark it the chin and then just complete the face and mark it this one. See? Okay, directly to the hairstyle. Oh, this is the wind. Is beautiful wind. Try to close us to be our friend. Also, this. Hello, how are you? It's nice, right? You see the necklace. There is the owner, not the wildcat. Please, stay away from my glass. Stay away, please. Okay, no problem. Please go. No. Come, go. I'm still busy with this. And then what else? Yeah. Yeah, completed. I think it is my drawing now. Not full. Okay, I hope you can follow. If you want to follow this, look at the end of the video. Dada! Thanks so much for your attention. Nisha, I gonna redraw my old drawing and I can show you also